Over the next 2 days at our Fianna Fáil Think-In, we'll be focusing on the party's priorities for the budget 2023. We understand it will take an exceptional response to the budget in tackling the energy crisis. We are acutely aware of the effect of the energy crisis on families and businesses, and people are really worried about the skyrocketing energy bills.
The budget will deliver immediate measures to assist all households with energy bills. Working families will see a tangible reduction in childcare and education costs. We'll be fighting for a one-off cost of living package for the most vulnerable and the squeezed middle. It needs to be substantial and it needs to be implemented quickly. We'll also allocate the funding required to deliver the key commitments in Housing for All.
We will focus on the core values of the party, improving quality of life and access to key public services such as health, housing, education, childcare, disability services, older people and a fair welfare and tax package.